Okay, today we are going to continue with our indices. So, as we treated in our previous class, about the laws of indices. So, if you are not in our previous class, just go and watch our video on the laws of indices. Now we are continuing. So, the first example here now is x raised to the power 3 times x raised to the power 7. Here we are using the multiplication law. This is the multiplication law, and we bring the base, the first index 3, then this is plus. That is what the multiplication law says. You add them together, you add the indices together, which is 7. We have x raised to the power 3 plus 7 is 10. The second example, 40 raised to the power 5 divided by 40 raised to the power 3 is equal to 40. So, since it is division, it has to change to minus, which is 5 minus 3 equal to 40. 5 minus 3 should be 2. So, which is equal to 40 raised to the power 2. Let's say 4 times 4, 16. 0, 0. Okay, we have number 3, which is 5 raised to the power minus 1 over 2 to the power of 4. Our base comes, and the power law says we should multiply the indices, which is minus 1 over 2 times 4, which is equal to 2 cancel itself 1, cancel this, you have 2. 1 times 2 should be, we have 5 minus 2, which is equal to 1 over 5 raised to the power 2, which is equal to 1 over 25. The fourth one, we have 64 raised to the power 5 over 6, which is equal to, we are using the roots law. So we have our 6 here, 6 roots, 64 raised to the power 5. Now, what do we do again? As we know, 64 is the same as 2 raised to the power 6. If you want to prove it, we have our 64 here. We have 2, 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is the proof. Let's explain it. Okay. We now have this. Next step is, you can just say root 6 roots. We cancel this power 6. Now we'll have 2 raised to the power 5. Or you can just do it like this. 6 roots, 2 raised to the power 6 times 5. Now it's the same as 2 raised to the power 6 times, this is the power law, 5 divided by 6. This cancel this. We have 5. 0 is the power 5.